want to be a super villain.
Minions, The Rise of Gru, is about a young Gru trying to become the greatest supervillain in the world.
Cheese Ray! Cheese Ray!
But he's only 11.
You think a puny little child can be a villain?
I am pretty despicable.
The young Gru just has these big, bold aspirations. He hasn't got the laugh quite figured out yet. It's interesting playing a bad guy who's really a good guy. The minions saw the person underneath, the real Gru. The minions are a little naughty, and I love them all. But they drive me absolutely crazy.
Did you just trade my future for a pet rock?